If you're planning to create a WordPress website with Bluehost, don't purchase hosting directly from the Bluehost homepage. Instead, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. That special link automatically applies Bluehost's latest promotional pricing, which is often much lower than the standard price shown on the official website. If you're just getting started, I recommend the one-site plan. It's only $1.99 per month on the 36-month term and includes a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificate, AI website builder, weekly backups, malware scanning, and everything you need to launch your first website. If you plan to build multiple websites, you can choose the Starter or Business Essentials plan instead. Once you've selected your plan, claim your free domain name or choose I'll create my domain later if you haven't decided on a name yet. Complete the payment, and your Bluehost hosting account will be ready in just a few minutes. Now let's install WordPress. After logging into your Bluehost account, click on the Websites tab from the left menu. In the top right corner, click Add Site. Make sure Install WordPress is selected, then click Continue. Next, enter your website name. Don't worry too much about this because you can always change it later from your WordPress settings. Click Continue to move to the next step. Bluehost will now assign you a temporary domain, allowing you to start building your website immediately, even if your main domain hasn't finished connecting yet. Click Continue again. You'll see a few optional recommendations, such as activating additional SEO tools. These are completely optional, so you can simply skip them for now and continue with the installation. Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you. This usually takes only a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a few setup options, including using the AI website builder or migrating an existing website. If you're following this tutorial, you can skip those for now. Instead, open WordPress Admin. This will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard, where you can start creating pages, installing themes and plugins, publishing blog posts, and building your website. Congratulations! Your WordPress website is now live on Bluehost. That's how easy it is to install WordPress on Bluehost in 2026. If you haven't purchased Bluehost yet, remember to use the special discount link in the description or scan the QR code to unlock the latest promotional pricing, including the $1.99 per month offer and your free domain for the first year. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out besthostingcoupons.com for the latest Bluehost discounts, hosting tutorials, and WordPress guides. See you in the next video.